In this video, I'll show how to aim your instances at a specific target. So let's get rid of our guide curve setup. Let's create a Yeti node on a sphere for demonstration purposes instead. I'm also going to need something to instance, so I'll create a Yeti feather as well. I'll make sure to add the feather to the Yeti input objects. Create a scatter and an instance node. I'll hook up the feather to the instance node so that we get some visual feedback. Now let's create a locator to have something to aim the feathers at. On the Yeti node, we now need to add a vector variable. Give it a suitable name and click OK. With the Yeti node selected, go to Window, Animation Editors and Expression Editor. In here we need to add an expression to the Yeti node. So type in the name of the Yeti node. The attribute we want to change is the .Yeti variable v underscore and then the name of the attribute we just created, aim, and then the x value of that. Set it to be equal to the locator's translate x value and don't forget to finish up the sentence with a semicolon. Now duplicate this line twice and make sure to get the y and z axis in there as well. Once it's all in order, click Create. Now all we need to do is go to the graph editor and change the alignment attribute in the instance node. The attribute I created is called aim, so I need to type in $aim. Once done, we can see that the instances are aiming at the locator I created. The only downside to expressions is that they evaluate on every frame, so it's not going to be a very quick setup if you're using it in, for instance, a rig. But nonetheless, that's one way to aim your instances at a target.